Okay, you guys, we are at Mandalay Bay and we are going to do a room tour of room 212. So coming on in right here, this is the main entrance. It's got a long little hallway here. It's got a mirror here on the right hand side there. Just turn on the light and this is what you'll see. You come in and this is the TV and they have a nice little setup here. So this is going to be the different jacks that you would have. You have water, different things. There is an additional charge for that. So, got a refrigerator down there. It is fully stocked, as you can see. Okay. So, additional minibar products are located in the refrigerator below. Pricing for all minibar items is located on the television menu under dining. A $50 per stay service fee will be applied for storing personal items or altering existing items. Okay, well that's good information to know. Located here in the back, looks like there's a pool down there. It's a little sun glare, so it might be a little hard to see. I do apologize about that. But stepping back a little bit, giving you an upper view. It's got crown molding. Nice little wood background there. So coming around here, looking, we have our safe and ironing board and iron. Okay, here. Located over here, another closet as well. There you go. Moving on into the restroom area. You have your shower located in your Roman style tub. Nice towels and everything. Nice little shower over here, which I'm sure it has a light over there. There we go. Get some lighting in here for y'all could actually see. Okay, that is the setup. It's got the dual sinks, his and hers. Okay, and in here, you're going to have your toilet area. Well, that will pretty much conclude this particular room tour at Mandalay Bay, room 21, on the 21st floor, excuse me, room 212, room 212. Been there, done that travel. Come back, like, share, and subscribe.